Useful word in Japanese. Hidari, left. Migi, right. Ue, up. Sita, down. Naka, in. Soto, out. Opposite Japanese word. Happy, ureshi. Sad, kanashi. Fun, omoshiroi. Boring, sumaranai. Fast, hayai. Slow, osoi. Long, nagai. Short, mizikai. Heavy, omoi. Light, karoi. Hot, atsui. Cold, samui. Love, suki. Hate, kiraida. Taste in Japanese. Oishi, delicious. Mazui, bad. Amai, sweet. Karai, spicy. Soppai, salty. Suppai, sour. Negai, bitter. Atsui, hot. Sawayaka, refreshing. Sumetai, cold. Transportation in Japanese. Kuruma, car. Densha, train. Basu, bus. Chikatetsu, subway. Takushi, taxi. Hikoki, airplane. Shinai Densa, tram and cable car. Fune, boat. Jitensha, bike. Baiku, motorcycle. Aruku, walk. Gentsuki, moped. Environments in Japanese. Forest, mori. Ocean, umi. Mountain, yama. Coast, kaigan. Desert, sabaku. Hills, oka. Field, no. City, sea. Lake, Mizumi. Swamp, Sawa. River, Kawa. Island, Sima. Kitchen tools in Japanese. Spoon, spoon. Foku, fork. Knifeu, knife. Osara, plate. Boru, bowl. Hera, spatula. Hashi, chopsticks. Pitcha, pitcher. Family in Japanese. Grandfather, sofu. Grandmother, sobo. Uncle, oji. Aunt, oba. Father, chichi. Grandfather, sofu. Grandmother, sobo. Mother, haha. Aunt, oba. Uncle, oji. Siblings, kyodai. Younger brother, Otouto. Younger sister, Imoto. Me, Watashi. Older brother, Ani. Older sister, Ane. Me, Watashi. Children, Kodomo. Husband and wife, Oto, Suma. Daughter-in-law, Yome. Son, Musuko. Grandchild, Mago. Daughter, Musume. Son-in-law, Muko. Grandchildren, Mago.